Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dami once again, and how are you guys doing? How have you guys been? If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel, welcome to my world. I hope you stick with me, learn a thing or two, and join the family. If you're an old subscriber, I love you guys. So guys, I got this hair from Luvme Hair, and it was sent to me in this very cute box, this cute purple box. Luvme Hair, and I'm so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. So yes, let's unbox this. Okay, so opening the box, I have their logo, which is Luvme Hair here, and I have this gorgeous wig, you guys. I have the wig here, and I have a purse. Yeah, a purse which has, I don't know what this is, a card or something with their logo Luvme. And I also have a spoolie brush, and so you have also a scarf if you want to install this unit, like as a frontal, of course. You have a scarf from Luvme Hair, and lastly I have a wig cap. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, so this hair is fresh out of the box, and let's try it on. Oh my god, the texture, you guys. I'm screaming, like, what? The texture, it's so soft, it's so luscious, you guys. Oh my goodness, wow, this is amazing. I like how the strands are so fine, you know, so beautiful, and it's, wow, it's just out of the box, and it looks this good. Can you guys see this? Like, it's screaming quality, it's screaming class, you guys. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. It's actually a 5x5 undetectable invisible bob wig, and it's in 12 inches, as you can see, and it's straight out of the box, and it looks this good. Oh my god, you guys, this is so pretty, and no shedding. Like, it's not shedding, it's, you say what, sis? Oh my goodness. So I have my mirror in front of me here, so I can, you know, put the wig on, adjust the wig, and just make it look good, right? Okay, so the wig has a hook at the back and also a hook inside, so you can hook it on your head with. So let's wear the wig. So I'm just gonna cut the lace of the wig, carefully looking into my mirror. Oh my god, you guys, like, it's the quality of the strands of this hair from me. Like, can you see the hairline? It's giving what it's supposed to be given. This is so pretty, you guys. It's so beautiful. Like, I can't just stop running my hands through the hair. It's soft, like, it's so soft. Oh god, it is really soft, like, and shiny. Wow, I really like this. Luvme Hair, this is amazing. Like, this is so gorgeous. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead now and use my straightener to flatten the top of the bob wig, just to make it flat, and also the whole hair, actually, just to make it look really better and nice. I mean, this is out of the box and it looks this good. Damn, sis, you're cute, you're fine. I'm feeling myself in this hair, you guys. Like, pardon me, because what? This hair has me hooked. Like, I am really hooked on this hair right now. Like, oh my goodness. Basically, and that's it. Like, that's it to this install. This hair is very easy to install, very low maintenance, and it's like my everyday wig now because the wig is wigging. Like, the bob wig is bobbing. Billionaire Onyedi Kashi. It's giving this billionaire vibes, you guys. Like, and a billionaire's wife kind of vibe. Is so luscious. So luscious. I can't get enough of this hair, you guys. Like, for real, this hair has me hooked. It's without glue, it's not installed. But sis, it's giving. This is a very nice bob wig every lady should actually have in their closet, because this wig would give you that kind of vibe, that kind of class, and it is super easy to install. Just put it on, use a straightener to run it through your hot comb, and that's it. Like, that's it. Like, it's so pretty. Oh my god, thank you so much, Luvme hair. You outdid yourself, sis. This hair is beautiful. I can't overemphasize, you guys, how beautiful this hair is. It's the quality, I keep saying this, it's the quality of the strands of this hair, because oh my goodness, so soft, like so soft and so luscious. And basically that's it, guys, for this install. That's it for this unit, guys. That's a very easy install. You can install this wig in less than 5 to 10 minutes. It's an everyday throw kind of wig, very beginner friendly and also very affordable. So what are you waiting for? They have their Valentine's sales coming up, so you should actually do get yourself this particular unit, because girl, it's giving luxury. It's giving bad bitches vibe. It's so pretty. It's so, oh my god, so bougie and so classy. That's it for this unit. That's it for this video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. If you guys enjoyed this video as well, just give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.